how to hide the ticket bar on Transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial you'll learn how you can hide the ticket bar on Transit app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to click on the application in order to launch the application, and then once you've done that, move to the top left corner of the screen, click on the gear icon, and then on the profiles page, move to the top part where you can see three icons, then click on the slider icon. After clicking on the slider icon, in the options menu displayed, scroll down and then go ahead to select my transit options. Then under my transit options, you can see different options like show transit maps, show line color lines, minimize walking, show accessibility info. Now for you, if you are in a location where transit application is allowed, you will be able to upgrade to royal. You will see the option royal here, and then you'll be able to upgrade to royal. This is because only royal members are able to hide or have a ticket bar in the transit app. So once you upgrade to royal, under my transit options, you will see the option show ticket bar. All right, you'll see ticket bar here, yeah, show ticket bar. Once you've seen it, you'll see this circle that you can see another option there. And then once you tap on it, it should be enabled, and then once you tap on it again, it will be disabled. Once it is disabled, you would your ticket bar would be hidden automatically. All right, and with the ticket bar being disabled, you'll still be able to purchase and access tickets from the profile screen actually, but it would be hidden as a bar in your Transit app. So this is how to go about it. So if you've not upgraded your account, ensure you upgrade and then come over here and hide the ticket bar. Thanks for watching and have a good day.